What's up, y'all? Back again with another quick video, and this video is actually a request from a couple of my subscribers asking me just how loud the exhaust is on my 2022 CB1000R. So for you guys that have been subscribed, you know that I have the 2022 CB1000R full black widow exhaust, Leovince slip-on, fully dyno tuned. This thing is a beast, pretty loud, but for me it's perfect. So what I'm gonna do is, I do have a decimal app on my phone. About 6 feet away is what most experts are saying, recommending that I stand back just to get an accurate reading. So we're gonna go ahead and crank it up. Then we're just gonna see how loud this actually gets. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Everyone's saying it should be about 6 feet away from the object, so I'm gonna put this on the ground about 6 feet away. All right. And look like we're recording. We're recording there, so looks like we're jumping between about 60 without me talking. So let's go ahead and crank it up and see what we are. So we're at about 87 or so, mid 80s it seemed like. Like I said, I did ride this over there, so it's a little bit warm already. 172 degrees, so about optimal temperature for now. And like I said, can't stop looking at this bike, guys. If you guys caught that video yesterday, I actually did a just the first ride on this helmet. This is the X-Lite X803 full carbon. Looks amazing, feels amazing, really light. Airflow is really good as well. So while this is running, full black widow exhaust, like I said, do have the Leovince slip-on. Got it fully tuned, and shout out to Rhino Motorsports again for getting the tune done. And just love the bike, love what I've done with it so far. So we're about 84, 85. Let's go ahead and rev it up. So I'm going to put the results on the side of the screen. Like I said, I can't really look at it because I am recording, but I'm guessing that we're over 100 easy. So the cool thing about this is that it has a minimum and a maximum. So the max is 119. So we hit 119 decibels, guys, which is pretty crazy. Full exhaust, Leovince slip-on. Doesn't have the DB killer in there, but I do have one, but I never felt the need to use it. But if you'd like for me to do a video just putting that decibel killer in there to see where we are with that, I can go ahead and do that as well. So there you have it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.